In this session, let us learn about HTML block and inline elements. HTML block and inline elements. Every HTML element has a default display value depending on what type of element it is. There are two display values, block and inline. Block level elements. A block level element always starts on a new line. A block level element always takes up the full width available, stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. A block level element has a top and bottom margin, whereas an inline element does not. The div tag element is a block level element. See the example on code. See, doc type div style border 1 pixel solid block. See, the div element is a block element and we always start on a new line and take up the full width available, stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. See, by writing in this code, see, hello world was formed. Here are the block level elements in HTML: address, article, aside, block quote, canvas, dd, div, dl, dt, field set, fig caption, figure, footer, form, h1 to h6, header, hr, li, main, nav, noscript, ol, p, pre, section, table, tfoot, ul, video. Inline elements. An inline element does not start on a new line. An inline element only takes up as much width as necessary. See here, this is an inline span, border 1 pixel solid, hello world, element inside paragraph. The span element is an inline element and will not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as. By writing and executing this code, see here, the inline element formed, hello world. The span, it's taken small span here. Here are the inline elements in the HTML. A, ABBR, acronym, B, BDO, BAG, BR, button, site, code, DFN, EM, I, IMG, input, KBD, label, map, object, output, queue, samp, script, select, small, span, strong, sub, text area, time, TT, var. An inline element cannot contain a block level element. See the div element. The div element is often used as a container for other HTML elements. The div element has no required attributes, but style class and id are common. When used together with CSS, the div element can be used to style blocks of content. See here, now it is background color black, color white, padding 20 pixels. See here, by writing and executing this code using p tag, paragraph tag, see by using div element, the result returns is pgk handwriting, some matter was printed. The span element. The span element is an inline container used to make up a part of a text or a part of a document. The span element has no required attributes, but style class and an id are common. When used together with CSS, the span element can be used to style parts of the text. See the code and result. See the span element. My car has span, style color RGB, 1911, 121, font width bold, purple, we are using purple color, body, and my bike has, we are using color RGB, 19700, font width white bold, dark red. See here, by writing and executing this code, the span element, my car has purple was printed, color body, and my bike has dark red color. Chapter summary. There are two display values, block and inline. A block level element always starts on a new line and takes up the full width available. An inline element does not start on a new line and it only takes up as much width as necessary. The div element is a block level and is often used as a container for other HTML elements. The span element is an inline container used to mark up a part of a text or a part of a document. See, div defines a section in a document block level element. Span tag defines a section in a document line. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 36, HTML block and inline. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML class attributes. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.